If you're tired of water spots, fingerprints, and cheap faucets that start leaking the moment the warranty expires, then stop scrolling. Because today, we're looking at a kitchen upgrade that might just be the last faucet you ever buy. This is the KRAUS KPF 2820 SFS Oletto. It's sleek, it's powerful, it's built like a tank, and before you spend your money, I'm going to show you exactly what it can and can't do. So stick with me, because this review might save you a whole lot of frustration. Product features. Let's start with what makes the KRAUS Oletto stand out. Universal, modern design. This faucet instantly becomes the focal point of your kitchen or laundry room. Sleek, ergonomic, and finished in spot-free stainless steel. Meaning, no fingerprints, no water spots, no fading or tarnishing over time. Perfect size and reach. With a height of 16 5/8 inches and a spout reach of 8 7/8 inches, it gives you plenty of clearance for large pots and pans. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, so you get full freedom of movement around the sink. Reach technology. The pull-down hose is flexible, smooth, and designed for full sink coverage. It retracts easily thanks to a swivel adapter and the included quick-weight counterweight. Smooth one-handle operation. The single handle works with a 90-degree forward rotation, which is perfect if you're installing this next to a backsplash or in a tight space. Dual spray head. Aerated stream for everyday cleaning. Powerful spray for heavy rinsing. And the easy clean nozzles help prevent mineral buildup, so water pressure stays strong for years. Built to last. Made from solid lead-free brass and top-tier internal components. This thing is designed for leak-free performance for a lifetime. Easy installation. Comes with pre-connected water lines, a quick connect spray hose, and everything you need for a straightforward DIY install. Pros and cons. Pros. Spot-free stainless steel, looks clean all the time. Excellent pull-down reach with smooth movement. Solid brass construction, extremely durable. Great for small spaces thanks to forward-only handle rotation. 360-degree swivel for full flexibility. Easy DIY install, great for beginners. And dual spray modes for versatile cleaning. Cons. 1.8 GPM flow rate may feel slightly low if you're used to older high-flow faucets. No magnetic docking, though the counterweight works well. And modern design may not fit traditional kitchen styles. Overall review. So here's the real question. Is the KRAUS KPF 2820 SFS Oletto worth your money? Absolutely, if you want a faucet that combines beauty, durability, and practicality. This model is perfect for homeowners wanting a premium feel without a luxury price, DIY installers who want something simple and frustration-free, families who want a faucet that stays clean and spot-free, anyone needing full sink coverage with a smooth pull-down sprayer. It's one of the most reliable faucets in its class, and the build quality is exactly what you want if you never want to deal with leaks again. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home and car-savvy reviews, and check out the link in the description to see the latest price for the KRAUS Oletto. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.